Welcome to the Lifetime Product Assembly channel. This video will provide instruction to help you assemble your Adirondack chair. Please remember to not tighten any screw until you are instructed to do so. This will ensure maximum build quality. Finger tightening will do until then. To start, attach the two outer backrest panels using 6 screws here. You may tighten the 6 screws on the backrest. If you choose to use a power drill, be sure to set the torque low. This will avoid piercing through any part. Now attach the backrest panel to the base of the chair. Again, remember to not tighten any of these screws just yet. At this point, your Adirondack chair should look just like this. Now attach this cross panel to the backrest supports. Use 4 screws for the pre-drilled holes. The top of the backrest supports have notches that fit into the backrest support like this. At times throughout this process, you may want assistance applying pressure to match the holes. Remember to not tighten any of these screws just yet. Now attach the front right leg to the seat using 5 screws here. Also use this sticker to identify that you are using the correct leg. Now attach the right armrest to the right front leg using 4 screws. Repeat and mirror the last 2 steps on the left side. Now attach the back of the armrest to the backrest supports. Here, you will use 2 of the 4 longer screws. And finally, tighten all remaining loose screws. At completion, your Adirondack chair should look like this.